Hi, Anna here from Customer Experience. So we get tons of questions on where to repair your jeans. No matter when or where you got them, every pair of Nudies comes with a promise of free repairs. Just give them a wash and bring them to your closest Nudie Jeans repair shop. And even if we really wanted to, we know that we don't have repair shops everywhere. But we always work to increase repair spots, and we got a growing number of repair partners where you can get your jeans repaired just like in a Nudie Jeans repair shop. So head over to nudiejeans.com and have a look if there's a repair shop or repair partner close to you. And don't forget, you can always order a free Nudie Jeans repair kit and be your own tailor. It's really not that hard, and you'll actually feel great afterwards. So whatever you choose, make sure to repair those favorite jeans of yours. They probably still have some life in them. So good luck and see you next week.